I grew this all myself. Ain't it giving that? It's giving that.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me?
Go ahead and get into this hair because I know y'all here for a good time, not for a long time. So I grew this all myself. Ain't it giving that? It's giving that. The wig girls sound delusional when we say that. Oh my God, they can't tell it's a wig. Okay. Relax, friend. Can you tell that it is a closure wig? It's a wear and go wig. Please, please. This is perfect for beginners. And I want to say thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video, because this wig on my head is just, look. I think this is the better side. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the details. So this wig is a Bye Bye Knot 7x5 pre-cut lace kinky straight wig. It is 20 inches long. When you pop the hood on this wig, you can see that this wig comes with 3 combs and no adjustable straps in the back, but it does come with a removable piano key elastic band. A little wind ain't gonna hurt you, so you can wear this wig glueless if you would like. This wig also features a silicone band at the back of the wig that allows the wig to stick where she at. Also, this wig cap features a C-shaped cap, so it allows the wig so it fits right around the curvature of your ear, so it's comfortable to wear for all head types. Now, what does Bye Bye Knots mean? We've talked about this before, but Bye Bye Knots basically is when the knots ran away from home. Or when the knots say bye-bye. Okay, they're not here anymore, you don't see them. Bye Bye Knots on this wig are supposed to be featuring pre-bleached knots, and they're supposed to be super duper tiny and single knotted so that you cannot see them with the naked eye. And if you do, baby, you too close. Okay, I'm calling the police. I can't even see the knots. I haven't seen the knots the whole time I've been wearing this wig. The lace closure also features like 7x5, so this is a closure that stops like right at your temple. It parts back 5 inches, so you have a lot of parting space toward the bike of the head, and then you hit track. What they're claiming is that it's a put on and go wig, so we're gonna go ahead and test that out today. You're gonna see. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Look how pretty. It looks super realistic, and the hairline, I was a little bit nervous about it earlier, but it looks great now. The only thing I need to do is add, I almost forgot, a little bit of the makeup to the part, because I don't know, for some reason my wig cap is showing up crazy style. Does that look crazy? Oh girl, I made my part real big. What was that about? Yeah, either way, the wig is done. Okay, it looks so good. The hair is the softest kinky straight. I feel like it's one of the softest kinky straight wigs I've ever tried, and it feels like it's like extra fluffy and soft, and it kind of reminds me of like when you get your hair straightened and you like on day 3 and then it rains outside, but you don't go outside. Either way, the end result, it's fantastic. I love it. Beauty Forever did their thing with this one. They ate this right on up. And look at the parting space. Baby, you can see my wig cap. You can see my wig cap right up and through this. But it looks so realistic on the hairline. Like, which baby hair is mine? Which one belongs to the wig and which one is mine? Can you tell? Seamless. Like, y'all see how seamless that is? Oh, I just love it. And the lace melted so well. The only things that I did not like the shape of the forehead, like the way they cut the lace, it's a little bit straight across, and that's not my vibe. I wish there was a little bit more definition to the hairline. Also, this wig cap is really big. Can't wear this wig without any adhesive spray. This is a wig that I need to tack it down with something, girl. Masking tape, duct tape, something, girl. Is this wig put on and go? For me, technically, no. Although this can be a glueless wig if your head size fits. As far as like applying the wig and just spraying it down, it's very simple, very easy for somebody with my head size. I absolutely love it. Basically, I just need a smaller cap. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. And the ends, oh yeah, the ends on this hair were pretty dry. It needed a trim, but once she got the trim, oh baby, it looks like I just left the salon. It looks like I should be on a Just For Me box, girl. Parting space and their plication and their bleach knots, everything. I didn't even think about a knot the whole time I did this wig. I didn't think about one knot. Not one knot popped up. Y'all tell me what you think about this unit down below. I absolutely love this wig. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It is one of my favorite. Kinky straight wigs because of how easy it is to apply. I just love how it looks like this. Okay, let's go ahead and try out some styles. Since you already saw what the hair looks like after it's completely straight, I wanted to try out a few updo styles and how we curl this hair. Now, of course, we're going to start with the half up, half down. Because this wig is a closure wig, I don't want to put it all up yet. I just want to see what it looked like with a half up, half down. And let me tell you something. When I pulled this hair up and I decided to pull like a little piece around the hair, once I pulled this hair up, oh my God, it looks like my hair. I really was shocked, appalled. The way the hair is plugged, it looks scalpish. Like you can see part of the scalp, and the plication is pristine. The knots being bleached, pristine. It looks so good, so natural, and it's easy to wear, and it's still tacked to my head, so it's really, really secure. So once I pulled the hair down, I don't know if you could tell, but the hair was still curled, baby. She didn't lose a curl just from putting it up at all. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and try another style. I actually wish I flipped the hair up. I'll explain it once I pull it back. I decided to pull the hair back into like a little claw clip and pull some pieces back in the front. But I wanted to smooth it out a little bit. But what I was trying to tell you is I wish I flipped the hair upwards and created like that little waterfall look. But still, look at that hairline. The hairline is the star of the show. And the hair itself looks so good, looks so natural. Like literally, it looks like I just take care of my hair, friend. I love the way that style looks and it gets the hair out of your face. Now next, I just wanted to see what the hair looked like once I pulled her all the way up. I wanted to see what this high ponytail was going to do with this wig. Now at the back, babe, you need to pull some hair out or something because it's nothing but cap exposed. But I wanted to see what it looked like in the front because this is a closure wig. And still, babes, I had to pull down the sides a little bit. Baby, you can get this wig off your neck, friend. I love that for us. Now, after I pulled it all the way down, I actually did try a bun, but my camera ran out and I didn't even feel like the bun. So next, I wanted to see what it looked like to curl this hair. Now, as you know, kinky straight hair doesn't really do a good job of curling, but I found that when I curl this hair after blow drying and straightening it, it holds a curl. And this hair ended up holding a curl. Like I still have the wig, girl, it's right next to me. And the curl's still in it. She's still ready to go. I'm probably gonna wear her this weekend. So right now I'm curling this wig with a cheese spinning curl. If you don't know nothing about her, baby, get to know her. I love the cheese spinning curl. So basically it's an automatic curler and you take a piece of hair, you add it into that slot, you push the button, you can curl forwards or backwards. I curl away from the face. I curled away from the face and the girl, that was it. You hold it for 19 seconds and the curls came out gorgeous on this hair. I low-key was upset that I didn't do this for the ending of the video. I did this after I finished the video because I wanted to style it last so I can go through all of my styles without messing it up. But look how seamless those curls are. Look how fluffy they are. And they actually last once you do the straightening, the blow dry straightening method. The hair was super duper bouncy and it moved around seamlessly. I feel like this one is my favorite style. Y'all let me know which one is your favorite style. Half up, half down. Let me know. But y'all let me know what you think down below. Y'all let me know which one of the styles you thought was your favorite with this wig, half up, half down. Girl, what style did you like? Y'all let me know down below. Anyways, I want to say thank you again to Beauty Forever Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. I will leave a link for this unit down below. I also will leave a coupon code down below so you can go ahead and check that out. Get some money off, friend. Okay, we out of the holiday season. You don't need to be spending your check like that. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.